Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you such a recipe which is very best suitable for our lazy mornings. So this recipe basically a category of breakfast, so nothing but a American pancake. As you can see, very soft fluffy American pancakes within no time we can make. So before getting to the video, as I always say, if you are a first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notifications. Initially, we will see the ingredients. I have taken a 1 cup of maida here and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. So if you are a sugar lover, you can add one more spoon extra also. And one egg. For 1 cup of maida, tentatively one egg, a pinch of salt and 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. So if the butter is a salted butter, then you can skip the salt. Now I'm going to mix it in a bowl. I just shifted the maida into a bowl and then I am adding a sugar to it. So as I said, if you are a sugar lover, you can add one more spoon extra, and if you have little more time, you can powder it and add it. And then a pinch of salt and then whisk the egg, and then finally I'm adding the melted butter also. Butter will make this total pancake very smooth and softy. So the hidden ingredients in our pancake is this soda water. So instead of normal water, we will be mixing it with the soda water, because soda water will make it really super soft and it will give you that super soft life a long time. So if you make in the morning also, till evening it will be the same softness. So and instantly we can go ahead with making it. So our batter is ready here. As I told you, as we mentioned, we use the soda, we no need to rest it. So here I heated a pan and oil, added little butter to it. Now I am pouring our pancakes. So usually pancakes we will not make it a very big. Actually we will make it little thicker and a small in size, like this. So most of the kids usually like this pancake, and it is like within no time you can make it, as you can see here. So nicely roasted. So once the upper part is seems to be dry, then you can just slowly flip it. See how nice golden brown color it has been roasted. So if you would like to add little more butter, you can add when you are roasting here. So our pancakes are ready, and you have to cook it in a medium low flame to medium flame. So finally our pancakes are ready, and it is best go with honey actually. So with the honey and the pancake are the best combination. So that's it. Very easy and very yummy recipe. Within no time you can make this breakfast. At times you can even try this also. Hope you all like the making. If you like, don't forget to share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching.